Please like and subscribe for more.
Once there was a young man who wanted to change his life. He wanted success. He wanted confidence. He wanted a better future. Every week he made big promises. I will wake up early. I will exercise every day. I will work hard. For 2 days he did well. Then he became tired. He stopped. This happened again and again. One day he sat sadly in a park. An old wise man sat beside him and asked, "Why are you sad?" The young man said, "I want to improve my life, but I always fail." The wise man smiled and gave him a tiny seed. The young man looked confused. "I asked for success, not a seed." The wise man said, "This seed is your answer." They planted the seed in the ground. The wise man said, "Water it every day." The young man returned the next day. Nothing happened. A week later, still nothing. He became frustrated. This is useless. The wise man said, "Be patient. Keep watering it." So the young man continued, day after day. Then, one morning, a small green plant appeared. The young man became excited. "It's growing." The wise man smiled. Success grows the same way. The young man listened carefully. The wise man said, "You want big results fast, but life changes through small actions repeated every day." He continued, "Read a few pages daily, and you gain knowledge. Exercise a little daily, and you gain strength. Save money daily, and you build wealth. Practice daily, and you gain skill." These are small habits, the wise man said. They look tiny now, but they become powerful later. The young man asked, "Why do people fail?" The wise man replied, "Because they want big change quickly. They ignore small habits." Then he said, "Do not focus only on goals. Focus on daily systems. If your goal is health, exercise daily. If your goal is success, work daily. If your goal is growth, learn daily." Months passed. The young man followed the advice. He read every day. He exercised every day.